Dear students, today we are going to learn a mocktail, and the name of this mocktail is called Blue Island. Basically, this Blue Island mocktail is based on a classic cocktail, and the name of that classic cocktail is called Blue Lagoon, which is basically the vodka based cocktail. So here we are not going to use any alcohol. Rather than that, we are going to make the mocktail version of it, a non-alcoholic version of it, and here the name is Blue Island. The glass that we have been using out over here, this glass is called hurricane glass because its shape is just like an hurricane only, just like tornadoes and hurricanes only. More than that, as far as its quantity is concerned, it is 360 ml. Approximately in terms of in fluid ounce, you can take it approximately around 12 fluid ounce. So it is 12 fluid ounce glass of 360 ml. The things that we would be requiring in order to make this particular mocktail is, we would be requiring the bottle of Sprite. Here the Sprite is there with us. Along with that, we would be requiring the basic flavor of it, and here the basic flavor is Blue Curacao. Blue Curacao, and here the brand is of Monin. Blue Curacao is basically, as the name itself shows, it is blue in color and having the flavor of the orange. Along with that, we would be requiring, or we would be needing the garnish. In the garnish, we would be requiring the cherry and the slice of lemon. As far as its sour taste of the liquid is concerned, here we are not using any bottled lemon juice. Rather than that, we would be using half of the lemon juice. So now, first, as usual, for making any cocktail or mocktail, we need to first of all chill the glass. So now we need to chill the glass first. In order to chill the glass, 2 to 3 cubes of an ice is more than enough. Along with that, you need to top it up with the water. Now let the glass to get chilled. While the glass is going to get chilled, we will have to prepare the garnish. For the garnish, we require the slice of lemon, one thing always keep in your mind, whenever you are using the slice of the lemon, if it contains any type of a seed, that seed has to be removed. In short to say, we can say that we have to de-seed the lemon slice. After de-seeding the lemon slice, we need to pick one cherry also. That cherry has to be de-seeded. This can be done by using toothpick also. As I have removed the seed of the cherry, now by using the same toothpick, I am first of all going to put it inside the cherry and then with the slice of lemon. So our garnish is ready, and this garnish, I have kept it inside the water. We are going to use it at the end. As its recipe says, first we need to put the ice cubes in traditional shaker. Four to 5 cubes of ice would be more than enough. Next, we need to squeeze the lemon. We require half of the lemon. Once the lemon has been squeezed properly, after that we need to put 15 ml of blue curacao syrup. Again, I am saying it is colored and flavored syrup, and here the flavored is of orange. We need to shake it properly. It has been shaken enough. Next process would be to remove the water. Our glass is chilled thoroughly, and in this particular mocktail we need to put, or we are going to use the crushed ice. We need to fill the glass with approximately half of the crushed ice. And the rest of the part we need to fill with Sprite. As far as garnish is concerned, we have to use lemon slice with one cherry. Now, before actually serving to the guest, we need to stir it. Yes, it is perfect. Now our mocktail is ready. The name is Blue Island.